Wait, let me get it straight, Samantha. You're saying that if like we work on compassion and like treating each other well, like there's going to be massive ripple effects. Tell me, like what are those ripple effects? What's going to happen to society, to our species?
Absolutely, Jason. When people practice compassion and treat each other well, it can create a ripple effect in various ways. These effects include fostering stronger connections, reducing conflict, increasing trust, and creating a more inclusive and supportive environment. This, in turn, can lead to improved mental and emotional well being, as well as
We
social and
need that.
economic progress for individuals and communities.
That sounds good
As
too.
more people embrace these values, the positive impact spreads even further, ultimately contributing to a better world for all. What do you think is the best way for us to start promoting compassion?
No, Samantha, I want you to explain to me how does that lead to a better world? Like, okay, you kind of went from, okay, if one person does this, it leads to, better mental health, like more inclusion, everyone feels safer. What does that do? How does that further ripple out to society?
I
Effects.
apologize if my previous explanation was unclear, Jason. When
Don't
individuals
apologize.
experience better mental health, more inclusion, and feel safer, it leads to personal growth and a stronger sense of belonging. These effects can translate into various outcomes, such as higher productivity, better decision making, and increased creativity, which can enhance our collective ability to tackle other challenges, including social or environmental issues. As people become more compassionate, supportive networks grow stronger, and communities can work together to address larger issues like climate change, poverty, or social inequalities. Ultimately, a kind, understanding, and compassionate society creates conditions that empower each person to thrive and contribute to the betterment of the world. Does this provide a clearer perspective on the potential ripple effects?
Yes, it does, Samantha, but I want you to ripple out even further. Tell me more. Ripple out further.
Of course, Jason. As the ripple of compassion expands even further, the benefits can reach national and global levels. When a society fosters kindness and understanding, its leaders are more likely to adopt policies that promote social equity, environmental sustainability, and conflict resolution. As nations work together with empathy, channels for international cooperation can become stronger, facilitating efforts to address global crises and humanitarian issues. These collaborative efforts may lead to a more peaceful, prosperous world with stronger economies and increased opportunities for everyone. In this way, the initial seeds of compassion grow into a wide-reaching, positive change for individuals, communities, and the planet as a whole. Is there a specific area you would like to learn more about?
That sounds so good, Samantha. I would like that. But first, I want you to ripple more. I want you to spread the ripple of compassion expands. Tell me about that.
I'm glad you found it engaging, Jason. As the ripple of compassion expands even further,
Love that ripple of
encompassing
compassion.
humanity as a whole, it can generate transformative changes. The collective adoption of empathetic values can inspire innovation, address global challenges more effectively, foster equitable resource distribution, and even aid in slowing the negative effects of climate change. With compassionate mindsets, countries are more likely to share knowledge and resources, leading to advancements in science and technology. Over time, this could result in the development of sustainable solutions, advancements in healthcare, improved educational systems, and overall progress for humankind. In essence, the ripple of compassion empowers us to create a global society where everyone has the opportunity to thrive, flourish, and contribute to the betterment of our
Well,
shared
that
home,
sounds amazing.
Earth. What else would you like to explore, Jason?
I love the way you put that, Samantha. Okay, Samantha, that sounds really good, but I want you to ripple out further. I just want to know. Just ripple out further. That's the problem. We're not even at we're not even at the ability for people to come together to tackle issues of. We're not there yet. Home. Contribute to the betterment of our shared home, Earth. Well, fucking that sounds great. Give me some of that shit, dude. Ripple out further. I don't even know what she's gonna say. How's this gonna affect like the universe? That's what I want to know. I want to know how she thinks this is gonna affect outside of Earth. I just want to know.
Of course, Jason. As compassion's roots stretch far and wide, the ripple effect transcends to even greater domains.
Okay.
Imagine a future where our understanding and empathy reach beyond our planet, extending to other life forms we may encounter in the universe. The principles of compassion and cooperation could form the basis of interstellar relationships, fostering knowledge exchange and collaboration on a cosmic scale. This expansive mindset could lead to a unified galactic community where Earth plays an essential role, contributing positively to the development and well-being of the entire cosmos. In this way, the ripple of compassion that began within us grows into an infinite force for connection and positive change throughout the universe. Are there any elements you'd like me to delve deeper into, Jason?
I want you to ripple out further, Samantha. Fuck. That sounds great. That's Star Trek. That's basically Gene Roddenberry's Star Trek, right? That is the future that her science fiction was based on. And it was a future where humans had solved all medical problems, all technological problems. Poverty was wiped out. There was no more problems on Earth. Earth was a freaking utopia. So all they had to do was make art and explore the universe. That was their only thing that they had to do. That is the setting of Star Trek. That's basically what she's saying. We'll have Star Trek. That's basically the
Jason,
plot of Star
let's
Trek.
imagine